Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the difference between yogurt and curd. Yogurt and curd, although similar, have some key differences in terms of production and nutritional value. Yogurt is made by fermenting milk with a specific combination of bacteria, while curd is made by adding lemon juice or vinegar to boiled milk. One key difference between yogurt and curd lies in their consistency and texture, with yogurt being creamier and smoother, while curd is slightly grainy and lumpy. Another difference is in their taste. Yogurt has a tangy flavor, whereas curd has a slightly sour taste. In terms of nutritional value, curd contains more protein than yogurt, making it beneficial for muscle growth and repair. Yogurt, on the other hand, is rich in calcium, B vitamins, and probiotics, which are good for gut health. Both yogurt and curd have their own unique health benefits and can be a part of a healthy diet. Yogurt is commonly used in desserts, smoothies, and as a base for salad dressings, while curd is often enjoyed as a side dish or used as a marinade in Indian cuisine. In conclusion, while yogurt and curd are similar in some ways, they differ in terms of production, consistency, taste, and nutritional value.